Hey folks, how are you doing? In this video, I'll show you how to update the contact map section within your page. It's that section on your home, usually on your home page, could be the contact page, right at the bottom there. So let's just preview a page here quickly in the Denmark template. I'll just scroll on down here to the very bottom. And it's this background section we're talking about here. It's just a map in the background. We're using Google Maps and a little snippet of code to display the particular area. But you can update this to your own area. To do that, let's just open up Dreamweaver here. Now, there's two versions that do the same thing. One contact map uses a JavaScript file, and one has a script right in the page. So, for example, the Denmark, we'll use this as our major example here. The contact map folder, so we have library components contact map. We open that up. There's a JS folder and a map LBI. All of our work's going to be done in the map.js file right here. Okay, we're actually going to be updating the longitude and the latitude right here. If you're working with the Onyx template, it may be a little bit different. There are some versions that have just the map LBI. You would open that page up and you would find the longitude and the latitude there. So basically all I'm saying is if you don't have a JS folder within your contact map folder, just open up the map LBI, right? And then you can scroll down and you would actually see the this same script. Now, the script itself, longitude and latitude, how do we update that? Well, the easiest way is just to pull up a web browser. And we're going to go to Google Maps. So just do a search for Maps Google. And then what we're going to do is type in our address. So let's go with the business address, 2100 Aldersmith Place, Victoria, BC. Anyway, boom, there it is right there. Now, once you pull up your address or your city or your country, whatever you want to use, go down to the settings tab. Now in this version of Google Maps, because it tends to change, the settings uses a little icon down here. Just click that, do the share or embed, and right here, this great big long link of information, we're going to use information in here. Our longitude and our latitude is actually buried in here, so we're just going to copy this to start with. Go back to Dreamweaver. And I'm just going to sort of scroll right down to the bottom of the page here, give myself a little bit of room to work with without knocking anything out of place, and paste that link. Okay, we don't need, and all I need from here is, you can sort of view the Google, there's the address, and then it comes to a slash and then the little at symbol right there. After that is the longitude and the latitude. And basically we want this information right here. These digits, the comma, the next bunch of digits, right up to we hit the next comma, right? So it sort of ends with a comma and it starts with the little at symbol, and we want everything in between. So we're just going to grab everything in between, copy it, scoot up top here, scrub over what we have in there already, and paste. Now I'm just going to put my cursor between the comma and the negative symbol and hit the space bar once, just to give it a little room. And that's it, you're done. Of course, the last thing you want to do here is, if you've done the same example I have, just get rid of any code and make sure you don't knock off that end bracket there either. But that's it. You can now save your page and your maps have been updated.